Hi guys, my name is Jordan and you can call me Dan by the way, and here to go. We are going to cook pork curry and here are the ingredients. Got one, the onion, garlic, ginger, potato, carrots, and black pepper, of course, the curry powder, the coconut, the pork, and you can slice um, as what do you want type of slice. And yes, I already sliced all of the ingredients in order for us to have a short video. And yes, we're now going to cook it. So now guys, we just really have to cook the pork curry. First, of course, throw it on the stove. Then yes, I just wanted to be notified that after taking the first day of the video, of course, I should have to wash my hands to avoid contamination of food. So here it comes. So the first thing we have to do, we just really have coconut oil here. So we can get put first the garlic, the onion, and this is the onion, and the ginger. Then the pork. With a pinch of salt. And a lot of water to soak the meat and to make it smooth as well. Just a little bit. Okay, and then we have what is one in order to smooth out the meat. And then we are now going to put the carrots and the potato in order to smoke this one. You know, since already boiled to for 5 minutes, so we just really have to put the coconut milk. However, my way I always use coconut milk and the powder to be mixed. Okay, and for a moment, and while we are mixing this one, we just really have put the black pepper just a bit. Okay, and then the coconut milk and the the curry powder that is being mixed. Put this one. Okay, and of course you just really have to mix it well.